Hi guys, how's it going? I'm going to show you how to get started with your assignment. This is Thursday, January 16th. If I have my dates correct, you should have a substitute today, and you have an assignment to do expectations slides on Adobe Spark Post. So you should have a few tabs open on your Chromebook right now. You should have a spark.adobe open and be logged in. We're here with this button on the top right. If log in with your Google account, or first log in school and then Google account if it gives you that option. On the assignment, there is a folder I shared with you called graphics, and these graphics should be in there. You should have a copy of this slideshow called School-Wide Expectations. So you're going to have to create one slide that has our school-wide expectations. Be safe, be responsible, and be respectful. And then you can pick any one of the hallway expectations you want to do a slide on. It would be better if you and your neighbor didn't do the same expectation. That way, when we show these on morning announcements, we can have more variety. And you have to do a cafe expectation. So you have to do one school-wide, one hallway, one cafe, and then you get to do a fourth expectation about anything you want in the school, as long as it's appropriate, something that you want kids in school to be aware of, to be, if you want to do two cafe expectations, that's great. If you want to remind them something about, um, whatever it is, that putting gum under the table, whatever it is that bothers you, and if it's appropriate, we'll put it on morning announcements. So let's get started with Adobe Spark. Create a project. We're going to create a graphic. So if you click Custom Size Graphic, if you go to Popular, Landscape is fine, YouTube thumbnail is fine, Facebook is fine. Any of these that are more horizontal. We do social post. Believe Twitter has a good sized one. Let's go with that. All right, so I want you to be using your own pictures for the first three. So let's for the first one, let's just pick a template that's already on. Here's one. Has a picture in the background. It's the right shape. So let's replace the image with one in our that I took. There's also some free photos here. If you can use photos that are copyright appropriate if you want. Make sure they have at least something to do with school. So place. Photo, upload photo. Have a couple of pictures here. Let's do this one. Let's trash that picture. So let's make let's make the picture like that. There's a silhouette of a student throwing his trash, and let's change the text here. This will make this one a cafe expectation. Copy that. Paste in here. All right. Let's add a Douglas graphic in here somewhere. Let's move that back over here. Shrink it down just a bit. All right. Let's look at our. Oh, let's trash that. Let's look at any filters we could add to this to give it a little different feel. Just hit shuffle and we'll cycle through them. Now, how about a nice little blur? I'm going to keep the title here white because it looks good against the background. It's nice and bright. And I'm going to rename this my last name, and we'll do cafe because this is the cafe one. Now I'm going to click, there's several things to do over here. We're going to download a JPEG. On my PC over here, it shows that it downloaded. And I'm going to go to the assignment. All right, I'm here on my assignment. I haven't built it out yet for you guys, but you'll have some information here about Adobe Spark and a link to this video. I'm going to click Submit, and I'm going to choose the file I just downloaded. And it's called Alcala Cafe. Open. I'm going to add another file. I'm going to do this one I just did. Okay, so you guys are going to have 4 total. See how it saves it automatically as my post. Please rename it with your name. Otherwise, I'll have a whole class full of images called my post, and it'll make grading a little bit harder. So anyway, rename the image with your name in Spark, and then upload it over here with the file upload. Hit submit, and you're done. Thanks for listening, and have a good sub day.